I love a good pizza, but when I'm looking to cut calories or I need it to be gluten-free, I have to get creative in the kitchen and start adding more veggies to my plate. After trying this recipe, I'm here for the hype of a cauliflower crust pizza. The flavor and the texture is worth the effort of making this at home. If you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to start by cutting a medium cauliflower head into chunks and then putting it in a food processor, where I'm going to pulse this a few times until the cauliflower is the size of rice grains. If you don't have a food processor, you can always use a box grater to get the job done too. Next, using a strainer, I'm going to place the cauliflower rice in the strainer within my steamer, as the holes in the pot are just a bit too big and I don't want the cauliflower rice to fall through. I'm going to cover this and then I'm going to let it steam for 5 minutes or until just tender. After letting it rest for about 5 minutes, I'm squeezing as much water as possible out of the cauliflower using my nut milk bag. You can also use a fine mesh strainer, a dish towel, or a cheesecloth. Then, in a medium bowl, I'm going to combine the cauliflower with the rest of the ingredients. So in goes the almond flour, our grated Parmesan cheese, some salt, our minced garlic, our minced parsley, 1 large egg, and mix until combined. Using a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, I'm going to press and shape the dough so it's nice and flat. Then I'm going to bake this for about 10 minutes until the edges start to brown. From there, add whatever toppings you like. I'm going to do a simple cheese pizza. While that's baking, let's whip together our pizza sauce. I'm going to combine the tomato paste, garlic powder, oregano, thyme, and sugar, and mix until everything is incorporated. And it's good to go. From here, add your pizza sauce and then whatever toppings you like. I'm going to sprinkle on a bunch of shredded mozzarella before popping it back in the oven for about 8 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted on top. Looking for more pizza crust alternatives? Then check out this video above.